What really happens to your biology if you execute 50 squats every single day? No external weights, no machines, just raw structural resistance and absolute consistency. Most people look at the upper body and chase aesthetic illusions, ignoring the very foundation that holds their anatomy together. The truth is cold. Your lower base dictates your sovereignty. If your foundation is weak, your entire physical structure operates on borrowed time. Today, we break down the exact biological shift that occurs when you refuse to skip the lower base protocol. In the initial 7 days, expect raw structural feedback. Your quadriceps, glutes, and lower lumbar spine will experience acute micro tears. This isn't damage, it is a mandatory demolition before the rebuild. By day 14, the neurological adaptation begins. Climbing stairs stops feeling like a mechanical chore. Your hip flexors unlock, blood flow metrics spike, and your pelvic alignment stabilizes. You aren't just moving, you are recalibrating your center of gravity. But listen to me carefully. While week 2 builds power, day 20 holds a critical biological trap. If you execute these squats with a misaligned spine, your body will permanently lock your hip flexors, reversing all your fat loss and muscle gains. I am dropping the exact correction blueprint for day 20 in our very next video. If you want to secure your clearance into the elite tier and ensure you do not destroy your foundation, hit the subscribe button right now. Do not break the protocol. By week 3, the kinetic pattern becomes automated. Your central nervous system sharpens its coordination, and your deep core endurance skyrockets to protect your spine. After a full 30-day rotation, 50 daily repetitions will feel natural. But here is the uncompromising truth that standard fitness gurus hide from you. 50 bodyweight squats will not turn you into a massive bodybuilder. Once your biology adapts to your body weight, growth plateaus. To force serious hypertrophy, you will eventually need progressive resistance, dumbbells, barbells, or steel loads. But what these 30 days do build is an unbreakable mechanical foundation. It bulletproofs your knees, mobilizes your ankles, and forces down internal laziness. There is a hidden secondary metric that people rarely track: kinetic sovereignty. When you control your lower base, you control your presence in any room. Small, systematic physical execution daily compounds into absolute biological authority. If 50 repetitions feel overwhelming, break the sequence down into blocks of 10. If you are already advanced, demand 100. The metric that matters is zero negotiation with comfort. Drop your commitment code FOUNDATIONLOCKED in the comments section below. Subscribe to secure your spot in the elite tier and return to this room tomorrow. We build concrete results. Stay disciplined.